Now we're going to be making our second variation potato salad. This time we're going to make potato salad with olive oil so it can sit out in the sun longer. We also use a bay leaf for this. Now we're just going to throw our potatoes in there, about 2 whole potatoes, and with our celery chopped really small. And now we're going to use our red onions this time, about a handful, and a handful of our white onions. Like I said, all this is subject to how much you want in there, and also how many people you're cooking for. Pour extra virgin olive oil, just enough to coat everything. Then add our salt, and add our pepper. And now we're going to take our fresh pieces. You can chop it if you want to, but I think this works just fine for me. Now if you do this, you want to actually let this sit overnight. If you don't have time, a couple hours will work, but if you let it sit overnight, the basil will really come through. And there you go, potato salad. Great for barbecues and cookouts. And this is a great recipe if you have to have the potato salad sitting out all day, because there's no mayonnaise involved.